In this video, I'll show you how to block your GCash account from a lost phone. If your phone or SIM is lost, the first thing to do is act fast. GCash says you should report it immediately to protect your account and funds. You can do this using another phone as long as you open the GCash app, not a browser. On the GCash login screen, tap Help Center. Under Quick Help, select Lost SIM/phone, then tap Chat with Gigi and follow the prompts. According to GCash, this is the official way to request account blocking for a lost phone or SIM. GCash also notes that the blocking request will not work properly if you chat with Gigi in Chrome or Safari, so make sure you do it inside the app. For security cases like lost or stolen phones, GCash says the account is usually blocked within 4 hours, and you'll receive an email update once it's done. If you also need help moving your funds and services later, GCash has a separate transfer funds and services option in the Help Center. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.